Fam, listen, making money on Telegram is way easier than people think. No jokes, you don't need a big audience, you don't need a tech skills, and you don't even need to build some complicated websites. In fact, with what I'm about to show you, you can start earning on Telegram even with one subscriber. Yes, one. Today, I'm going to break down the exact system creators are secretly using to make money on Telegram using a tool called InviteMember. This thing turns your Telegram account into a fully automated subscription business in just 1 minute. And the best part, you can start today and from anywhere in the world. So let me explain InviteMember real quick. It's basically the ultimate tool for creating Telegram membership and payment bots, plus landing pages for your project. It's crazy simple but super powerful. That's why creators, online coaches, digital entrepreneurs, crypto content creators, all of them use it. Whatever your niche is, fitness, crypto signal, gossip updates, education, premium tutorials, InviteMember lets you package your knowledge, lock it behind a subscription, and you get paid for it automatically. Now, this part actually shocked me. With InviteMember, you can accept payments from literally anywhere around the world. You can accept payments with debit card, credit card, crypto, cash, Telegram stars, access code for offline payments. And it doesn't matter if your audience is from Nigeria, India, US, or the UK. Payments go straight into your own PayPal or Stripe account. InviteMember doesn't touch your money, so you're not fighting payment gateways anywhere. Everything just works. InviteMember also has a flexible pricing model. It grows with your business. If you're small, your fees stays low. As you scale, it adjusts. Very simple. Alright, now let me show you how easy it is to build your Telegram subscription business. So this is how it's been done right here, and I have my phone on the screen right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start the bot. And the next thing is actually to accept the terms of service and privacy policies. So I need to add a project. So first thing is tap on add a project right here. And now you are going to put your email address right here. Email has been confirmed successfully, and I'm going to add my project right now. So on a bigger screen right now, it says, please enter your project name. So I'm going to put it as Sleek True Project. Like, just name it as your project name. So I'm going to tap on send right now. So it says, would you like to create a paid Telegram channel or paid Telegram group? So now I'm going to use it as just a paid Telegram group right now. So I'm going to tap on paid Telegram group right here. So here you need to have a private group, and if you don't have one, you can actually create one. So just tap on connect a group right here, and once you do that, you can create a group right now. So I'm going to do Sleek True paid group right here. So I'm going to tap on create, and I'm going to send an invite, and now it says, what would you like to charge your customer in? So I'm going to charge them with Telegram stars or probably a US dollar. So I'm going to tap on Telegram stars. And how often would you like your member to pay? Every month, every year? I'm going to do every month right here. And now it says, how much will they pay every month? So that is stars. So I'm going to say just 1,000 stars. I'm going to send it like that. So it says, open a chat with BotFather and create your bot and paste the code token here. So BotFather, and I'm going to start. Now, the next thing you are going to do is come over right here and tap on new bot right here. You can see new bot right here. So create a new bot. So just tap on new bot right here. I'm going to choose a name for it. So I'm going to say Sleek True Bot. So then tap on send. And now it says, let's choose a username for your bot just like this. And I'm going to send it. And now I have actually sent it, and it says done. Congratulations on your new bot. I'm just going to copy this particular token and paste it on our package plan. So all I'm going to do right now is copy this particular code right in here. So all you need to do is just tap on it, and it's actually going to copy. And once it's been copied, the next thing you are going to do is actually paste the code right in here. Once you paste the code right in here, just send it like this. So now your bot has actually been created automatically just like this. And now let's tap on, okay, we do it. Now we can actually go to where you can edit your project. You can choose payment options right here. And now these are the payment options you can actually choose. So if you are going to accept payment using any of these options, you need to select the live method, not the test method, and you can start accepting payment using any of these particular payment method. For an example, this is the daily yoga workout membership plan you can actually do. For an example right here, you can see this is a live demo for InviteMember. So this is how it's actually going to look. So our plan, which is 9.99 per month, which is monthly, and 99.99 per year, which you can actually select from. And if you tap on it right now, it's going to say get instant access, where you can actually pay and subscribe. Once you have that payment done, you are going to get a link to join the particular yoga workout group on Telegram, and that is how it works. Alternatively, payments can actually be made on the Telegram group also. Like once you join the Telegram group, you can actually make your payment also to join the particular channel or group. So that is how easy it is. Payments can actually be accepted either of the two ways. Your landing page plus your bot are now your full online storefront. Customers can actually sign up, change plans, update billings, cancel subscriptions, or contact customer support, all inside Telegram. And you can customize your look, your branding, your color, everything inside Telegram. For my creators watching, this is the juiciest part. InviteMember has a built-in tool to help you grow fast. Special offers, free trials, affiliate programs, broadcast messages, discount coupons, and even Google Analytics and support tools. You can run promos, track page performance, reward affiliates, and even message the whole audience at once. It's actually built for scaling from your first 5 subscribers to your 5,000 subscribers. So with InviteMember, you can create your own subscription business today and start earning today. So if you want me to create a full tutorial on how you can build your first Telegram project, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you're ready to start right now, check the link in the description of this video and let's get you paid. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next mission.